Hello guys, I am Rajendra Gupta. Currently I am pursuing BTech from NIT Srinagar. My branch is Electronics Communication Engineering as I have got placed in Geo and CGI. So here I am going to share my experience that I gained through this whole process. In this video I'll talk about my Geo experience only. Before I start, I would like to tell you that whatever companies you are preparing for, the questions asked in these interviews are almost same. So there are hundreds of interviews experience that you can find from Anshul's YouTube channel. I would suggest you to watch any of them. That will make the difference. And yes, there is a detailed video about how you can design your introduction in a better way. So guys, I'm truly saying that this video helped me a lot. Let's come to the point. So this whole process of this Geo drive was consist of three different phases. In first one, we appeared in an aptitude test, and there was also some technical questions from C, C++, and DBMS. And then in second phase, we went through a coding round, and after that, we got shortlisted for the interview phase. So it was scheduled on 20th January. Before the interview, they mailed me and I got a personal call from interviewer. He just asked me to be on time. The duration was only 30 minutes long. When I entered the meeting, I was very hopeless, but the interviewer was frank. He calmed me down and then he asked me to introduce myself. So I gave my introduction, which I have prepared from the Anshul's video. So guys, in my intro, as I had mentioned about my key skills like C, C++, OOPS and data structures. So that's why the first question he asked from me was, what is OOPS? So I explained everything about OOPS, and then he asked me about inheritance. So I explained inheritance and told him the different types of inheritance. Then he asked me about hybrid inheritance. So I explained that part too. And then he asked me polymorphism. So I explained the different types of polymorphism that is available in C++. After that, he asked me about volatile keyword. So at that moment I was not aware of this keyword. So I told him that I don't know, I'll read about it. So he said it's okay, and then he asked me about abstraction. So that part also I explained to him. So after that, I was told to do a program to check palindrome, and he asked me to explain this program. So I wrote that program on my copy and then explained it to him. And then he told me to write another program to check prime number. Then I did that part also, and after that he asked me about my fourth year project. So I explained everything about my project. So the next question was what is destructor, and he also asked me about order of execution of constructor if we create an object of a child class in a condition when a class is inheriting some features from its parent class. So I explained those things in details, and then he asked me that when we create an object of empty class, so how much memory will be allocated. So at that moment I was not aware of it, so I told him that I'll read about it. So after that he asked me about dangling pointer and difference between microprocessor and microcontroller, and when I gave the answer of microprocessor and microcontroller, so I used the RAM and ROM word in my answer. So the next question was related to RAM and ROM. So at that moment I know everything about it. So I told him everything, and then he asked me that are they volatile or non-volatile. So I explained that, and then he asked me about what is stack and what is queue, and he asked me for examples. he told me that where it can be used. So I told everything about that, and then he asked me about linked list. So I explained the linked list in details, and then finally he asked me an aptitude question, and he told me that if there are 30% students of an IIT Srinagar are from Uttar Pradesh, so if 20% of that 30% are from Balia, so what percentage of students belongs to Balia? So it was an easy question for me, so I solved that and I told the answer. Then he told me that, okay Rajendra, nice meeting you, we will get back to you. So this was my interview experience with Jio, and after that day, the next day, I got the mail from Jio for the confirmation that I got selected for this drive. So guys, I hope that this video will help you in your preparation. Thank you so much.